guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner for the week of September 24th to the 30th. And since it is the first full week of fall, I wanted to use some paper that I had in my stash. This is the hot buy from last year called Happy Fall, and it's just a super cute paper pad. It just has really super cute images for the fall. An owl, and I love the plaids and the leaf patterns. It's got a bunch of fun cutouts here. So yeah, I'm gonna dig into what I have left of it in here, which is quite a bit actually. So I also have this striped washi tape that was orange and yellow. I thought that went really well with it. So why don't we get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. I'm done with my spread. I really, really love how this turned out. I decided to bring in a couple of my Mambi sticker pads that I always use and found a few things that I could use in them. The gold stickers there, and then of course my numbers across the top. But yeah, I love this paper pad last year, so I wanted to use some more of it. They also have a really cute new hot buy for this year called Pumpkin Spice, and it's super adorable as well. But I wanted to use this a little bit more. I just kind of stuck with the orange and yellow and browns. And then, of course, there's a little bit of the turquoise color. But yeah, I think it was really, really pretty. So I can't wait to write in my plans for this week. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.